Have you ever noticed how easy it is to put yourself last on the priority list? We have a million reasons why we don't get around to our health and fitness goals. Work is busy, the kids need attention, family obligations, they keep piling up. The list goes on. But here's the question I want to pose to you today. How much longer are you going to wait? How many more tomorrows are you going to promise yourself that you'll start taking care of your body? Now let's think about this for a higher perspective. In 1 Corinthians 6:19 through 20, the Bible tells us, "Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own. You were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies." This verse is such a powerful reminder that our bodies are more than just vessels for living our daily lives. They're sacred. They are a temple, a gift from God. And the time to start caring for them is not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Every day that we delay, we are neglecting an opportunity to honor the temple God has given us. So today, let's talk about why making yourself a priority in your fitness journey isn't all about looking good or losing weight. It's about honoring God. When the Bible refers to our bodies as a temple, it's calling us to a much deeper understanding of health and wellness. Think about it for a second. What do we do with things we consider sacred? We care for them. We protect them. We invest time, effort, and resources into ensuring they're kept in excellent condition. Now, if your home is your sanctuary, you don't just let it fall apart, right? You don't let it accumulate dust and neglect it until it's run down. You care for it, you clean it, and you make sure it remains a place of peace and beauty. The same applies to your body. Your body is the temple where the Holy Spirit resides. That's a huge responsibility. It's not just about external appearances. It's about maintaining a healthy, vibrant body that reflects the goodness of God. When we neglect our bodies, whether through poor diet, lack of movement, or stress, we're not just neglecting ourselves, we're neglecting the gift of life God has given us. Imagine if you treated your body the same way you treat your home, caring for it, nurturing it, and keeping it in top condition because it's a place where God's Spirit lives. We need to shift our mindset from seeing fitness and health as optional to seeing as an act of worship and stewardship over what God has entrusted to us. So when we talk about your fitness journey, it's not only about calories burned or muscles built. It's about honoring the temple that God created uniquely for you. Every healthy choice you make, every workout you complete, every nourishing meal you eat is an act of reverence to God's creation. Your body is not just your own. It's a temple that deserves care and respect, and that starts with making it a priority. It's easy to get caught up in the busyness of life and tell yourself that you'll start tomorrow. I've been there. You think you'll have more time next week or once a big project wraps up, but the truth is, life never slows down. There will always be something demanding your attention. If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, it'll never come. The time to start caring for your body, to start making yourself a priority, is right now, y'all. And when I say making yourself a priority, I don't just mean hitting the gym for an hour every day. It's about creating space in your life for your health, physically, mentally, and spiritually. When we think about 1 Corinthians 6:19 through 20, it's a direct call to action. God has given you this body, and you're responsible for taking care of it. The world will always try to convince you that you can put yourself last, that you can sacrifice your health for the sake of others, or that there will be time later. But let's be real. Later rarely comes. When we push our health off, we start to feel the consequences over time, whether it's fatigue, stress, weight gain, or even more serious health issues. The longer we wait, the harder it becomes to reclaim our health. Today is your opportunity to make a shift. You have the power to choose differently. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. You can start right where you are with what you have. Your health is not something to gamble with. It's precious and it's a way for you to honor God. So why wait? There's no better time than now to invest in yourself, because by doing so, you're also investing in your spiritual well-being. Now, I know the idea of overhauling your health can feel very overwhelming. You might be thinking, where do I even start? So let's talk about some practical steps you can take today, not tomorrow, to start making yourself a priority in your fitness journey. First, I want you to start scheduling your health. Just like you schedule meetings, doctor's appointments, and family activities, your health deserves a spot on the calendar. If you don't make time for it, other things will always crowd it out. So pull out your planner, your phone, whatever you use, and carve out time for a workout, a walk, or even a moment of mindfulness. When it's scheduled, you're more likely to follow through. Second, start small, but be consistent. You don't have to run a marathon on day one, but you do need to start somewhere. Whether it's walking 10 minutes walking 10 minutes a day, or drinking more water or stretching each morning. Start with small, manageable changes. What matters most is consistency. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Every small step you take builds momentum, and over time, you will see the results. And lastly, reflect on your why. Why are you doing this? Is it to be stronger for your family, to feel more energized and alive, or maybe it's simply to honor the body God gave you? Keep your why at the center of everything you do. And when you feel like skipping a workout or reaching for junk food, remind yourself why you started. Your why will keep you grounded and motivated, even on the tough days. Reflecting on your purpose is a way to align your actions with the biggest picture, honoring God with your body. Let me take a moment to share something personal. There was a time when I didn't prioritize my health at all. I had every excuse in the book: too busy, too tired, I'll start tomorrow. And for a while, that worked. I could get away with neglecting my body without feeling the effects too much. But then as time went on, it started to catch up with me. I was constantly fatigued. My stress level, oh my God, they were through the roof. And I felt disconnected from myself. More importantly, I felt like I wasn't honoring God with the way I was treating my body. He gave me this body. And it wasn't until I realized that caring for my health wasn't just about me, it was about honoring God and being the best version of myself for those around me, that I finally made a change. I had to stop treating my health like an afterthought and start treating it like the priority it is. And let me tell you, when I began to treat my body like the temple it is, everything changed. I have more energy, more joy, and a greater sense of peace. That's what I want for you. I want you to experience the fullness of life that comes when you honor the body God gave you. So don't wait. I know how easy it is to put it off, but I'm telling you from experience, the time is now. Don't wait until you're too tired or too overwhelmed or too disconnected. Start today and you'll see the changes unfold in ways you never thought possible. Trust me. Remember, your body is a temple. It's a sacred space that deserves to be cared for, loved, and honored. You have the opportunity today to start that journey of prioritizing your health. The time is now, not tomorrow, not next week, today. And I'm here with you every step of the way. I'd love to hear from you, revolutionaries. What's one thing you're committing to start today? It could be as simple as drinking more water, scheduling your workouts, or taking 10 minutes to walk each day. Drop it in the comments below, and let's hold each other accountable on this journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode in our series. We're in this together. Be intentional and be kind to everyone. Be kind to yourself and always be unapologetically you.